Alright, we're pulling out from the Beehives and heading on to the next part of the park. Ooh, this might be a little bit shaky. Okay, well, I guess they're not coming, so we'll go. Now, that's perfectly reasonable. Lena just climbed up a sizable size little rock formation over there. Quite proud of her. She didn't break anything.
Did you take any pictures of me up there?
I took a picture of us together.
Oh. Did it show how high up it was?
I don't know. This is incredibly beautiful. Now you see why they call it Valley of Fire, because it's very red here. I realize that, you know, I'm getting also a great view of the hood of the car, but that's the best we can do while driving. Uh-oh. Is there... Oh, okay. So I guess we're going to go to... Well, let's go to the other thing first, right? Oh, there's petrified logs. Awesome. We're actually going to go to the little visitor center first. And then go see a couple of the other things, and then we'll stop back by the ones we just passed on the way back. This is a nice way for people that can't come to this park to see it by as if you were a passenger in the car with us right now. That's pretty neat. Wow, it's so amazing here. This is exciting. That's a visitor center over there.
So the shimmering carpets.
Yeah. You can see the cars shimmering in the distance. We are hoping to see a tumbleweed because we saw a couple of them the other day, but we didn't get a chance to video it or take pictures or anything, but it's just so typical of a desert, right, to see tumbling tumbleweeds.
No, it's not typical. It's only 52 degrees in the desert.
Yeah. It's pretty cool and windy here for sure.
I was actually wearing my winter coat that I don't even wear in Vancouver.
Yeah.
I was still cold.
I guess you get the idea for now. We're going to take some more videos and stuff later. Ta-ta!